This question we're supposed to find the median and the quartiles for the desktop computers. The question says the diagram shows the times to load a program on 25 desktop computers and 31 tablets. Right, so the median is the number that is in the middle if you arrange a set of numbers in ascending order. Right, in this case, we have 25 computers. So the number that is in the middle is the 13th number, right? Or if you want to use a formula, we can say the median, which we shall call Q2. We can say Q2 is equal to the number that is in the half n plus 1/8 position. Half n plus 1/8 position. Right, now we have 25, so our n is 25. Our n is 25 because we have 25 desktop computers. Right, so we are looking for the number that is half 25 plus 1. So half of 25 plus 1, which is half of 26, is 13. So we're looking at the number that is in the 13th position. Right, now the first number is this one here. That number is 0.25 seconds according to the key. That's the first number, so we are going to count from there. Right, so this number here is the fourth number, right? And this number here is the seventh number. Okay, right, so what we are going to do is to count using these numbers here. Right, so the first number, the first row ends at the fourth number, the second row ends at the seventh number. Right, so this is number 11. So from number 11 we have number 12 and number 13. Right, so we have 0.41 right there. We have 0.41 seconds. 0.41 seconds. That's the 13th number. That's the 13th number. 0.41 seconds. That's our median right there. 0.41 seconds. Now let's look at how to find the lower quartile. The lower quartile is given by this formula. We call it Q3, or rather, sorry, we call it Q1, not Q3. Q1 is given by the formula 1/4 n plus 1/8 number. Right, so since n plus 1 is 26, 1/4 of 26 gives us 6.5. 6.5. Right, so we want to look for the number that is in the 6.50th position, 6.5 position. Right, so this is the fourth number, and we have 5, 6. Right, the number that is in the 6.5th position is between these two. Right, it's between these two numbers here. Right, so we are going to look for their average. So we are going to find the average of 0.32 seconds and 0.33 seconds. That average will be our lower quartile. If we do that, we get 0.325. 0.325 seconds. 0.325 seconds. This is our lower quartile. That's our lower quartile, 0.325 seconds. Right, as for the upper quartile, we use a formula that says Q3 equals, upper quartile is Q3. And so we use a formula that says Q3 equals 3/4 of n plus 3/4 n plus 1/8 position. So the number in that position, 3/4 of 26, because this whole thing is giving us, or rather the thing in the brackets is giving us 26. So 3/4 of 26. If we find 3/4 of 26, it will be 19.5. 19.5. So we want a number that is in position 19.5. Right, so the first row ends at number 4. The second one ends at number 11, 4 plus 7. Right. The next row ends at number 17, 4 plus 7 plus 6. So we are saying this number here is the 17th number. So that should be the 18th number, that should be the 19th number, and that should be the 20th number. Right, so our upper quartile is the average of these two. Right, so we are going to average 0.51 seconds and 0.53 seconds. So the number in the middle of 0.51 and 0.53 is 0.52. So 0.52 seconds is our upper quartile. 0.52 seconds is our upper quartile.